Welcome, viewers. Welcome back to the race weekend. We are now following the TVS One Make Championship 2020 organized by MMSC, and this is the RR 310 category. These are the Apache RR 310. They are the street bikes. They have gone through a certain modification specifically for the race. There are 12 riders in this grid, and as Amit mentioned, all of these are expert riders who have been on podium more than once, and it's a very close fight that would happen here. As you would have seen in the qualifying, the riders are separated by less than 3 seconds. On P1 is Abhishek Vasudev from Bangalore. On P2 is Dr. Aditya Rao Imaneni from Bangalore. On P3 is Anand R. And on P4 is Kishore VS, who has made a comeback after 2 years into the racing circuit. And on P5 is Anup Kumar. And on P6 is Kartik Mateti from Hyderabad. And on 7 is Vasudev. And on P8 is Rajkumar, on P9 Vishak Soban, and on P10 Arun Muthukrishnan, and on P11 Mekha Viduraj, and on P12 is Lokesh from Bangalore. "30 seconds to go. There would be a formation lap. This is a formation lap. As you saw, there were no lights. It was a green flag waved. The riders are on a warm-up lap. They're gonna go around sighting the track and warm themselves or the tires and come and stand back in their position. This is called the formation lap. The riders would come back and get back to their grid positions and the race would begin. So this is not a race, viewers. This is just the formation lap. The race would begin after the riders come back and settle on the grid. There is a 12 rider grid. As mentioned, there was a selection program for this in the month of November where there were close to 40 riders who had come for the selection, and the top 12 have been selected. And all the riders here have been on the national championship podium more than once. So, as mentioned, the riders are Abhishek Vasudev, Dr. Aditya Rao, Anand R, Kishore VS, Anup Kumar, Kartik Mateti, Vishwadev, Rajkumar, Vishak Shoban, Arun Muthukrishnan, Mekha Viduraj, and Lokesh. And the riders have come from different parts of the country, starting from Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Chitrala, Vijayawada. Right, the riders are now going towards the third sector. That's the grid position on your screens. There is a correction on the grid that's on the screen. I just mentioned the correct one. On P1 is Abhishek, on P2 is Aditya Rao, and on P3 is Anand, and the second row is started by Kishore VS of Coimbatore. The riders have now come back to the grid. So as you observe, the riders have finished the formation lap and taking their position on the grid. So once all the riders are on their position, the lights will be on and the race begins. So the riders are lining up there. On P5 is Anup Kumar, and on P6 is Kartik Mateti. Okay, the marshal is waving the green flag at the rear side, telling the starter that the grid is ready to move. And the lights are on. And the race has started. Oh, that was a bad start for a rider. Oh! There's a rider crash there. Rider is safe. That's just because one of the riders could not move his bike and they had a clash. And the race has started. The leader is now turn 2. Okay, this rider will not be able to take a start. The bike isn't moving. As the race is moving, I can see on the lead is Abhishek Vasudev. Abhishek Vasudev there on the lead. Followed by Anand. And on the third position is Kishore VS. Okay, the leaders are now crossed turn 4, and I still see Abhishek leading, followed by Anand R. And on the third position, we have 3 riders fighting there. I can see Kishore VS and Anupam Kumar in the bunch there. Not really sure which position, but on the lead is Abhishek. Abhishek is just consolidating his lead there. On second position is Anand R. Riders are now on the back straight. Sorry, on the fast left-hander. Abhishek still leading the race there. He's taken a considerable lead. He has at least 6 bike lengths of lead, and Kishore is moved back. Kishore lost 3 positions there. Kishore is now on 6th position, and on second position is Anand R. The riders are now finishing the lap 1. Yes, that's Abhishek taking. Okay, I see Kartik Mateti is moved 3rd. Kartik is on 3rd position, Anand on 2nd, and Abhishek Vasudev on 1st position. Anupam is moved to 4th. Vishwadev Muralidhar has moved up to 5th position, and Kishore has gone down to 6th position there. Abhishek is only consolidating his lead. He is moved ahead. He is close to a corner lead now, followed by Anand R, and on 3rd position is. Do I see Kartik there on 3rd position? Yes, that's Kartik on 3rd position at turn 4. Right, Abhishek has moved ahead with a significant lead, and so is Anand R is comfortably on the 2nd position. The fight now is for the 3rd position there. Kartik Mateti, Anup Kumar, Vishwadev Muralidhar, and Vishwadev and Kishore VS fighting there for the 3rd position. Yeah, you can see on your screen that's Abhishek Vasudev on bike number 7 there, and followed by Anand R. And on the 3rd position is Kartik. What a lead, Brilliant ride by this lad from Bangalore, Abhishek Vasudev. And Anand losing his lead there, and Kartik Mateti coming closer to Anand R there. The riders are now climbing on the bridge, the 2nd and the 3rd rider, while Abhishek Vasudev crosses the start line. That's a brilliant, significant lead for Abhishek, followed by Anand R and Kartik Mateti on 3rd place. Kartik and Anand are pretty close to each other. They are separated by 200th of a second, and I see Kartik trying to make a move at turn 2. No, he could not. He's still following Anand R, and Abhishek there moving from turn 3. He has a good 1 corner lead, and Kartik Mateti is now moved to 2nd place as I see. And no, there is a fight between Anand R and Kartik Mateti. Kartik is on bike number 10 and Anand on bike number 4. There is a very close fight for the 2nd and the 3rd place between Anand and Kartik Mateti. And on the 4th place is Vishwadev, and on 5th it's Anup, and on 6th Kishore VS. Right, as the cameraman pans there, that's the race leader, Abhishek Vasudev, on the back straight. That's the fast right-hander, and now moving towards the left-hander. And on 2nd place is bike number 10, Kartik Mateti, and on the 3rd place is Anand R. There is a change in position. Kartik Mateti is now on 2nd. Anand on 3rd. And on the 4th and the 5th place, there's a close battle between Anup Kumar and Vishwadev. And Kishore has made a move. Kishore has now moved to fourth place. And we have the race leader moving here on the start finish line now. Abhishek Vasudev, followed by Karthik and then by Anand R. End of third lap, Abhishek Vasudev leads the race, followed by Karthik Mateti, and in the third place is Anand R, and on the fourth place is Vishwadev. And Kishore has moved one place from sixth place, he's moved on to fifth place, and Anup has lost a place there. And still it's anyone's battle for the fourth, fifth and sixth. There's a very close fight there. And there's a lone battle for Abhishek Vasudev there, leading the pack. Karthik and Anand having a close fight for second and third position. Currently Karthik leading as they move on to the turn 4, and Anand tries to make a move from the inside, no, blocked by Karthik. At turn 5, Karthik still leads at turn 5. Karthik is on second position, followed by Anand. We can't see Vasudev on the screen. Vasudev, Abhishek Vasudev has moved ahead. The way the camera is panning, I see even the cameraman is enjoying the race there. At the second place, it's between Karthik and Anand. It's a very close fight between Karthik and Anand there. As Vishwadev trying to join the club. Vishwadev closing down to Anand, and followed by Kishore VS and Anup Kumar. Right, Karthik moving away from the bunch again. Karthik on second, and Anand are on third position. Not sure how long Anand will be able to hold on to it. The other riders are closing on to him. That's Kishore trying to make a move on Vishwadev at last corner, while the race leader crosses the start-finish line. There's no change of position on third and fourth place. So the result after 4 laps is Abhishek Vasudev leads the race, followed by Karthik Mateti, and on the third place is Anand R, on the fourth Vishwadev, and on fifth Kishore VS. There's a close battle for the fourth place. Right, that's Abhishek Vasudev just consolidating his lead lap by lap, and Karthik Mateti in second place, also moving away from Anand R. We have 2 laps to go. That's Vishwadev and Kishore. The riders are on the rear side of the track, and Kishore trying to make a move on Vishwadev. No change in positions there. The race currently stands this way, that Abhishek is leading the race, followed by Karthik Mateti and Anand R. They're close to 1 second gap between Karthik and Anand, and a full 5-second lead by Abhishek Vasudev. Abhishek leads the pack with 5 seconds, followed by Karthik Mateti and Anand R. Anand closing in, so is Vishwadev. Oh, there seems to be a problem on Kishore's there. Kishore is slowed down. Kishore has slowed down. Not really sure, he went out of the track, looks like. Not very sure. But let's come back to the race leaders here. Abhishek Vasudev, Karthik Mateti and Anand R. Vishwadev trying to close in, but no. Karthik and Anand there in second and third position, and Vasudev on first position. The last lap has just started. The leader has crossed the start-finish line to start the last lap. There is a close battle, as you see, for the second and the third position between Karthik and Anand. Bike number 10 is Karthik Mateti from Hyderabad, and bike number 4 is Anand. Abhishek must be a happy man there. He is not fighting. Karthik Mateti and Anand there. Will Anand make a move, or will he settle for 3? And here's the battle for the 4th place between Vishwadev and Anup. There's no change on the second and third position. Anand still closing in. Will he do the move in the later part of the track? That's the last lap there. Anand closing in onto. Yes, Anand makes a move. Anand makes a move, and now Anand is on second position, and Karthik hasn't slowed down. Karthik is still tailing Anand. That's a brilliant move by Anand, and Karthik closing in there. That's a battle for the second place between Karthik Mateti and Anand are currently. Yeah, Karthik has moved into second position with Anand on third position. Still anyone's game with 3 corners to go. There's a close battle between Karthik Mateti and Anand R. 3 corners to go there. And that's the race leader, Abhishek Vasudev, getting onto the bridge complex and down the bridge complex as the camera pans onto the leader. That's a comfortable win for Abhishek Vasudev. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's Abhishek Vasudev winning the race 1 of the TVS One Make Championship RR 310, and on second position is Karthik Mateti. Yes, and on third it's Anand R. That was a close fight between Karthik Mateti and Anand R all through the race. A brilliant ride by Abhishek Vasudev. 5.8 seconds lead by the race leader, followed by Karthik Mateti and Anand R. Karthik and Anand were separated by less than 200th of a second. And that's a victory lap by Abhishek Vasudev. A well-fought race between Karthik and Anand. And on the 5th place was Vishwadev, and on 6th Kishore VS, and 4th was Anup Kumar. 7th Vishak Shoban, and on 8th Mekha Viduraj, and on the 9th was Arun Muthukrishnan. Right, friends, that's the end of race 2. We will be back for race 3. The race 3 will be MRF, MMSC, FMSC, Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship. Stock up to 165 girls category. That would be stock up to 165cc girls category, race 1. Congratulations, Abhishek Vasudev, Karthik Mateti and Anandar. That's a well fought out race. A clean race except for the incident in the lap 1. That looks like a racing incident, as we haven't heard anything from the race officials. It has not appeared on our screens. The live stream is brought to you by Madras Motorsports Club. It's available on the madrasmotorsports.club.in and on the Facebook page. The live timing is also available at the Madras Motorsports Club website. Please go to the live section and you will be able to see the live timing and the stream. If you have a low bandwidth, please check the live timing. That's the podium winners coming into the pit lane. That's Anup R on your screen. Sorry, Anand R on your screen. Anand finished third. Anand is the local lad from Chennai. And that's Karthik Mateti, bike number 10, who finished second from Hyderabad. Congratulations, Karthik. And that's the race winner, getting a rider along with him. And bike number 7, the race winner, Abhishek Vasudev from Bangalore. While the riders enjoy their victory moment, we'll take a short break and be back for the next race.
Shades kodo, please. King Sunny. Sorry? Oh, the weather was good. The start was really good. I didn't expect to get a good start where I'm usually on the heavier side compared to the rest of the riders. So I was expecting a couple of riders like him to pass by me on the straight and block me in the C2, but fortunately that didn't happen. So I could gain a bit of a rhythm thanks to the pole position that I had. And once I had the rhythm, I looked back a couple of times to judge if these guys are going to be able to catch me, and it was a no. So I decided to ride in, say, about an 80% potential of me, and then just, make the tires stick, don't miss the lines, and, hit the finish line on the last lap with a good lead. I think it's a good start to the championship, the first race. Well, I couldn't have asked for anything better. Huge support from TVS, from ISBK Racing, from MMSC for thankfully giving us this championship with all the constraints that we had the whole of the year. It looks good for now. I hope to stay calm, not let it get to me, and then focus on the 3 more races that's pending for the weekend. So that's the focus on. Thank you.
It's all good. Like I didn't expect such a ride. Like I started from sixth, so which usually I was on the average pace, not so great. Struggling with the bike with the heavy weight, as I said. So the lighter rider was fast. So I got a good start, which I didn't expect. So I was there from sixth. I was there in the fourth and fifth in the first lap. So from then on, I had a good fight with Anup and Anand. So we got pretty few contacts in the race. I didn't know. I just gave my best. And then by the time I saw the Abhishek was already flying, he got a good lead. So I tried to maintain my second position. In the last lap, I know I was being hunted by Anand in the straights and also I was just blocking and did a good job finishing second.
தமிழில் தான் பேசணும். நல்லா இருந்தது. ஸ்டார்ட் கொஞ்சம் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். பட் நான் அபிஷேக் ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக இருந்தாங்க. ஸோ அவர் கூட இருக்கலாம்னு பார்த்தேன். பட் என் ரிதம் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ கொஞ்சம் ஹெவி வெயிட்டாக இருந்தது. ரொம்ப மந்த்க்கு அப்புறம் இது பண்ணனால கொஞ்சம் டஃப்பாக இருந்தது. மற்றபடி ஓகே, போடியம் வந்துச்சு. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ரேஸ் பார்த்துக்கலாம்.